The James Webb Space Telescope has just revealed that two galaxies, one colossal and one tiny, existed together in the early universe. This is surprising because astronomers thought that such small galaxies could not have formed so early. The discovery challenges our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve, and it could lead to new insights into the early universe. The colossal galaxy is about 10 times the size of the Milky Way, and it is thought to have formed from the collapse of a massive cloud of gas and dust. The tiny galaxy is only a few percent the size of the Milky Way, and it is thought to have formed from the fragmentation of a smaller cloud of dust and gas. The discovery of these two galaxies suggests that the early universe was a much more chaotic place than we thought. It also suggests that the formation of galaxies is a more complex process than we previously understood. The James Webb Space Telescope is still in its early stages of operation, but it has already made some amazing discoveries. This latest discovery is just one more example of how the telescope is changing our understanding of the universe. Before we move further, do subscribe to our channel and like this video for more surprises. The discovery of these two different galaxies hanging out together in space has caused a big commotion among scientists who study stars in space. They are all trying to figure out how such an odd pair of galaxies could be in the same cosmic neighborhood. This strange finding has made everyone curious about what other secrets the universe might have in store for us. We are really small compared to the vastness of space, but when we look up at the night sky, we see things that are kind of familiar. We wonder what they are and where they came from. Thanks to science and technology, we have learned that these amazing things in space are made of the same tiny pieces as us. When we use special telescopes to look at them, we learn secrets about the universe and even about time itself. The more we look, the further back we go, traveling to the very beginnings of everything. Back when the universe was young, there were baby stars and galaxies everywhere. Scientists have a way to understand how these things changed over time, like a map of how they evolved. They gather information from really strong telescopes and the latest ideas in science to make this map. This map has been like a guidebook for scientists all over the world to understand how the universe started and grew. So imagine a surprise party in space with two different galaxies showing up together. This has made scientists super excited and curious about the universe's hidden secrets. When we look up at the sky, we're actually looking back in time and learning about the very beginnings of everything. And scientists use really powerful tools to draw a map that helps them understand this cosmic journey from the past to now. The news coming from the Webb telescope is shaking up what we believed about the early universe. This special telescope can see things in a way that others cannot, and it's showing us secrets that challenge what we knew. Imagine the universe becoming a lot more mysterious because of what this telescope found. It's like a big surprise. Imagine you find a huge galaxy that shouldn't even be there, according to what we thought before. This giant galaxy is way bigger than our Milky Way, and showed just over 500 million years after the Big Bang. This discovery has made scientists all over really surprised, and it's making them question what they thought they knew about space. Could we be close to figuring out something really big about the whole universe? We'll need time to know for sure. Scientists from different parts of the world are all puzzled by this strange thing about the early universe. Say, the biggest galaxies we know about usually took billions of years to form, but now we found some that popped up super fast, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. This could mean the universe grew faster than we thought, and it might need new ideas to explain how these galaxies happen so quickly. Also, these galaxies are doing something tricky, turning almost all their gas into stars, which is something we weren't sure could even happen. The Big Bang. When everything started, it's like a big puzzle that scientists are trying to solve. This telescope Webb has thrown a surprise card, like in a game of Uno. Now, astronomers found a tiny galaxy that's like a superstar factory. This galaxy started making stars super fast, just 500 to 550 million years after the Big Bang. It's like it can't stop making stars. So, this telescope is turning what we knew about the universe upside down. It's like finding hidden secrets that challenge what we thought was true, and it's making scientists excited and puzzled at the same time. There is a teeny tiny galaxy just 16 parsecs wide. To put it in perspective, our sun is way bigger at 8,000 parsecs wide, and the gigantic Milky Way galaxy is a whopping 40,000 parsecs wide. Yup, that early galaxy is incredibly small, as spotted by the James Webb Space Telescope. But hold on, here's where it gets wild. This pint-sized galaxy is doing something that doesn't make sense, making stars like crazy. It's like a tiny car going as fast as a rocket. Astronomers are now in a bit of a head-scratching situation. They're trying to figure out how something so small can do something so big. It's like a puzzle piece that doesn't quite fit, and it's making them rethink everything they thought they knew about the early universe. Is this a galaxy like we know them, or is it totally a different thing? Some smart scientists say maybe it's a group of stars hanging out, but it's way bigger than a regular star gang. Imagine trying to solve a mystery with puzzle pieces that keep changing shape. It's been pretty good at helping us understand things like a guide to a big adventure. But suddenly, with this tiny galaxy doing its star-making magic, things aren't adding up. It's like the universe is throwing a surprise party with confetti that doesn't match the decorations. Could it be that the rules of how things work were different back when the universe was just a baby? Or maybe we don't have the full picture yet, and there are things we're still figuring out. Scientists are coming up with all sorts of cool ideas to explain this cosmic conundrum. Imagine, there's a hidden switch that made stars go super fast, like a secret turbo boost. Or think about black holes growing at warp speed, creating lots of supersized galaxies. But here's the twist, how did those black holes get so big in the first place? It's like trying to find the start of a rainbow, a mystery inside a mystery. And guess what? A super smart scientist named Roger Penrose, who even got a Nobel Prize, has a surprising theory. He believes that supersized black holes from another universe might have kickstarted our universe's speedy growth. Imagine these ancient black holes sending us messages from way, way back. The Webb telescope's recent discoveries are like finding treasure that matches the map. But the real question is, did those old black holes really make our universe zoom after the Big Bang? Or are there other space secrets that we are still uncovering? It's like reading a thrilling space adventure with surprises at every turn. The way early galaxies acted right after the Big Bang is so tricky that the theories we know now can't really help at all. Should we start thinking about different ways the universe might have begun to make sense of its early days? It seems like the usual idea isn't working well here. Imagine a big puzzle that's missing some important pieces. That's how scientists feel. Now imagine a new idea that's like a backup plan. This idea says maybe the universe wasn't just born once and that's it. Maybe there's a whole chain of universes, one leading to the next like a never-ending story. This means we might never find out exactly where the universe came from. It's like looking at a long line of dominoes that keeps going forever. But wait, there are other ideas too. Think about a universe that started from a supersized black hole, or imagine a bunch of universes all connected, kind of like parallel worlds. Some even thought the universe might have been always here, never changing. It's like having different ideas for how to play a game. There's more than one rulebook. The James Webb Space Telescope is like a space detective, looking for clues in the sky. It's going to show us even more incredible things in the future that will help us understand how the universe began. It's like reading a book with lots of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Do like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.